How to log in into Credit One Bank credit card online account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Credit One Bank credit card online account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for creditonebank.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of Credit One Bank. On the right side of your screen, you will see the login portal, so go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your username and your password. And if you want the device to remember your login credentials, then tap on the Remember My Browser so I can sign in faster checkbox, and now tap on the Secure Sign In button, and with this you will be signed in to Credit One Bank successfully. Also, just in case if you do not remember your username or your password, then tap on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password button respectively and recover your account credentials. And if you do not have an account yet, then tap on the Set Up Online Account Access option. So, this is how you can log in into Credit One Bank credit card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.